Hello dear children, today we are going to start our lesson 8, the gift of peace. The gift of peace. Peace means you all know that feelings that begins in your hearts. That means to have a peaceful surrounding, happy surrounding likewise, okay. It is spread from our families and friends. So, if there is no peace, who suffer the most? Children like you will suffer the most. So, everyone needs peace. Okay, children? Children, in this lesson, you have a story. It could happen to us. It could happen to us. This was a story that was retold from an article. A boy named Majd Abu Azab story was retold. Okay, this Majd Abu Azab lived in Ramallah. He was at that time on 28 March 2002. This was happening, and at that time he was 8 years old. He was just in the second elementary grade. See, at that time there was war. You all know that now also some places like Iran, Iraq, they had war, isn't it? Like this, they had a war in Palestine at that time on March 2008, March 28, 2002, okay, year 2002. See, at that time, this Majd Abu Azab felt very sad and afraid because there were every time the sound of bombing and shooting, soldiers shooting against the enemies. Likewise, see, he remembered that day. Likewise, when he was wanted to go to his auntie's house, but the road were blocked due to this war, and the televisions and radio stations were destroyed. But they don't know what was happening there. At that time, they went to their grandmother's house, and they came to know that their radio and television station were bombed. Bombed means the enemy country has bombed this Ramallah. So at that time the water and the electricity were also shut down. So they were cut in this water and electricity. They could not have bath or they don't clean the house or anything. When the school year ended at that time, they closed the school, but they did not give the certificate. So he cannot attend any summer camp also. So he had to stay the home full time. And you all know that at vacation you all go to your family, your relatives house, or else you will go to any summer camp. But this was not happened to this Majd Abu Azab. So he was very angry. On this 28 March 2002, it was a Thursday, and this Majd Abu Azab was at school. But the schools in this Thursday, the teachers were looked very scared. The boys and girls were also looked scared. But this boy don't know what was happening, and he was as usual. But the parents came to pick them. His parent also came to pick him from school to home. The next day was a Friday. At morning, they heard a loud noise, and they all woke up. But they tried to tell on the television what was happening. At that time only they knew that there was the sound of bombing and there were no electricity. Then he went to kitchen to drink water. At that time he noticed that the water supply also had been cut. Then the 2 weeks they spent without electricity and running water. They all stored water in vessels and all the big utensils, so there were no cups and plates, so they used disposable plates and cups. That was not safe, isn't it, to use. They slept a lot of time in the morning daytime because they don't know what to do, so they slept more time because they cannot watch TV, so that way it was very boring, so they slept. Then the road were empty, there were no one roaming here and there. But if they want to go out for to the store, it was very frightened thing because the soldiers all roaming all around the street and they were shooting whoever come outside, so they were frightened. But this time he wanted to go to supermarket store to buy things, but also he walked fast and he forgot everything to what his mother told him to buy from the store. And by thinking this, they thought that the peace is very important, so they all prayed to end the war. And they also wanted to move freely in the street and road, so without checkpoints, and they can learn and play normally because they cannot meet each other at the time of war. Okay children, all let's pray for our peace. The gift of peace is very very important. See your 8th lesson topic, the gift of peace. Here we have story, it could happen to us. See, this was a story retold from an article by Majd Abu Azab. Lives in Ramallah in Palestine. Okay. See, this Majd Abu Azab live in Ramallah. I am 8 years old and I study in the 2nd elementary grade. I feel sad and afraid because of the situation here and what we are passing through. I remember the day they destroyed our radio and television stations. We were going to visit my aunt, but the soldiers blocked the road and did not let us pass. At that time, I thought our house had also been destroyed. We did not know what was happening. Later, we went to my grandma's house and discovered that the television station had been bombed. When the water and the electricity were cut, we could not have a bath or even clean the house. When the school year ended and they closed the school, they did not give us our certificates. I could not go to summer camp. I had to stay at home. I was very angry. Last year, all schools and universities were closed and no one could go to work. People had to stay at home and the roads were empty. On 28 March 2002, something happened. It was a Thursday and I was at school. Suddenly, the teachers started looking scared. The boys and girls were scared too. I was very frightened, but I continued playing with my friends as if nothing had happened. Then the parents came to pick up their children. My parents came as well and took me home from school. The next day was Friday. We woke up to the sound of bombing. I tried to turn on the television, but there was no electricity. Then I wanted to drink water and found that the water supply had been cut too. We spent 2 weeks without electricity and running water. In order to save the stored water, we used disposable cups and plates. I slept a lot at that time because I did not know what else to do all day. And even when I needed to go to the store right next to our house, I was very frightened. I would walk very fast and sometimes I forgot that my mother had asked me to buy because soldiers were shooting anyone who walked on the streets. We want peace and we want this war to end, and we want them to stop destroying the trees, and we want to move freely without checkpoints so we can learn and play normally. This is your story. Okay children, this is your lesson 8 notes. The gift of peace. The gift of peace. First Roman letter, choose the correct answers. First one, the gift of dash begins in our hearts. A peace, B peace, C peace. Peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace. When there is no peace, dash suffer the most. A parent, B grandparent, C children. Children, children, children. Peace can easily be broken by dash thoughts and actions. A happy, be angry, see silent. Angry, angry, angry. In countries at dash, people, especially children, live in fear. A war, B festival, C feast. War, war, war. Peace does not dash easily. Rain, go, come. Come, come, come. Filling the blanks. Dash live in Ramallah. It was a country in Palestine, Ramallah. Majd Abu Azab. Majd Abu Azab. The radio and television station had been bombed. People had to stay at home and dash were empty roads, ROADS roads. The parents came to pick up their dash children. People want peace and they want this war to dash end. Okay children, this is your notes. Study thoroughly. Okay.